How is it going, everybody? I hope each and every one of you are having a wonderful day. Well, it's warm, so you know what that means. Look at them limbs blowing. It's windy. Haha. Yay. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about something that I actually won by submitting a question to the great staff over at Griot's Garage. And I won something. It's been here for several weeks. So let's get to what's in it. How's it going? Thanks for sticking by. Yes, I won this several weeks ago, but because of what's going on in the country and the world right now, because of another country lying about the whole situation, I have just let it sit up on the top of my shelf for several weeks, because they say this new standard of life that we have can only survive up to 9 days on hard surfaces. Well, there's not really a hard surface per se in this package. There is, but there isn't. So I let it sit in there for several weeks before I'm going to open it. And I'm still going to use my due diligence and everything, but I wanted to show you what I got. So let's get to it. Now, the way I won this, per se, they advertised that they was having a live stream on Instagram and on Facebook, and they wanted you to post questions and everything, and I posted a stupid question, and I won a great prize. And I'll put that question in now for you so you can see it.
You can make Richard laugh. You're probably going to get an autographed catalog and t-shirt today. So the last winner on the pre-submits is Pete Davidson. Will the new 3-in-1 ceramic spray help prevent the woodchucks from chucking wood?
Okay, so I don't know if you've seen the missing bottle back there, but it is our new woodchuck spray. And it's coming out for spring because woodchucks are hyperactive in spring. And so we developed this formula where if you can catch the woodchuck and lift its tail and just spray back there, it makes all the hair evaporate in that one area, and that woodchuck will be chucking his own chucking stuff for quite some time. So that's the best woodchuck spray that's ever been invented. Leaves behind no residue.
Yeah.
After the hair gets blown off, there's absolutely zero residue.
We have devoted our entire R&D department to develop this based upon a submission. From you, Pete Davidson, you are a winner. Email at social@griotsgarage.com for your autograph. I'm sure you'll get some woodchuck joke as part of that signature from Richard.
So.
Again, I won this on their live stream. I already know what it is, but I wanted you guys to be here for the opening and everything. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut anything important. So let's get to it. I'm going to cut it way up here at the top. And I posted a question, and it was, like I said, it was a stupid one. But it seems like that's what they really like, so that's why I posted what I posted. And here's what we got. Got me a shirt. So here you go. 30 years of fun. Griot's Garage. My size and extra large. Let's get this opened up. Take a look at it. There's the front of it. Griot's Garage. Man, this is a really nice soft shirt. Wow, super soft. Here's the back. I love that. That's cool. Stay out of my garage. Let me get that unfolded so you can see it better. Stay out of my garage with a nice little watchdog on there. 30 years of fun. That's very cool. Thank you guys and gals at Griot's Garage. I really appreciate it. But I just wanted you guys to see it. I just wanted to share that shirt with you. It was a great little experience with Griot's Garage, because Griot's Garage is one of my favorite all-time detailing product companies, because you could go down to the local Advance Auto, AutoZone, places like that, pick their stuff up, and it's professional quality stuff. You get an excellent amount, normally 20 ounces, for a very reasonable price, and it works magnificent. Show quality results. So that's why I really like them. Now I use other companies too, don't get me wrong, and then I try out other companies for you guys and gals so you can see what's going on. But this is by far one of my favorite, if not my favorite, companies. So I just wanted to show you what cool looking shirt I got And we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.